Hold it up a tall brother. Greetings, Oche. Listen, ladies and gentlemen, let me just tell you. The artist just showed me something a while ago. And you know what them say, bad mind is acting by bad mind speaking right up. Ras, just show what going again now, man. Show the people them what going again. Because
Yeah.
Look at that. Ladies and gentlemen. We have a right to be bad.
Oh, see there? Now we over
Ras
in the court.
God no. Who them on?
Yeah, but ill views. You see me?
Jaja, brother.
See there?
Something when me have a new thing when me say, ooh. You know I do. That is true. Just buy a house with a view. Ooh.
Just buy a house with a view. Ras Ajai, big up yourself and thank you for joining us. Tonight here in the UK this afternoon. There in JA. How are you?
I'm full and blessed. We give thanks a lot. It's a pleasure being here. Bless up to everybody within the department of voice. This is Ras Ajai representing from out of the Dutty Rock, the money matters, and Ras Ajai music. Excellency and Almighty.
Aye. Cool, man. The view just killed me. Yeah. So how we going? Let's start it here. You've been in music for a really long time. But let's speak about it from when you were a child. Speak to us about your childhood or your child. Me no want to get upbringing. That's the word. Try not to get it why.
Why?
Sorry about that, guys. Talk to us about your upbringing.
Yeah, all right. Ras Ajai was brought up. I was adopted at 5 months. I was brought up in the church by one Bartholomew Brown and Miss Elsie Brown. Grew up in Waterford. You can say I'm a product of Waterford. I went to Waterford Primary, Waterford Infant, Waterford High. From there, went on to college to do some accounting work, get a degree. So we do the ACCA, like something.
Cool, man.
And get one like something, so.
Yeah.
Went on here and then we while going to church as a young youth, you don't know, music has been a part of us going to church. So was on the choir, sang solo, sang duet, was in an a cappella group. So the musical upbringing or the love for music started there. From there, we went on to work. As I say, we start work, we meet a couple of friends and tell us that them have ready, now you want to be artist. Have a one girlfriend, fly out and go foreign. So my start write poem.
Cool, that
Poem them have like a zest to it. You know, so we can sing. And then we put like a soul to this and I read it. Under to the soul. First poem I turned it in from there. The whole birth of Ras Ajai, the artist came about in terms of wanting to write song and feeling that love and the zeal for writing became more than life itself.
So that's where it oh my gosh, that's really inspiring actually. That's really So is that Catty B make you? She was the tipping point into starting to speak.
I can't say that. I can fearless say that because based off of the fact that if I chronicle the journey, that would be the time that we discovered that. All right, you know, maybe we have this might work. You know, this might work. This might actually. We give them.
Cool, man. you said that formal education. I mean, you got you trained in accounting. And is there anywhere specific in Jamaica that you worked when you got your qualification?
I worked with the Ministry of National Security. So we actually worked with the jail, to pay police. So I'm working at the department and I paid the police. So
And
there was a
is something that you enjoyed doing though?
did for a time. I remember when I just started working, telling you a story again. First couple of weeks, dreams the numbers around me down. Like, yeah, because you just deal with numbers every day. So after a while, we gave a love for it and it became like easy. It wasn't challenging after a while, so we wanted something else to challenge me. So music came in where music was a challenge. Today you might get up right or something. Tomorrow you live life. You might live life for the next year, 2 years, and then you come back and write 10 albums with about people wonder what happened, but them you had experiences to know family ideas in your head for songs to be created. So thanks to the unpredictability of it, why not the unpredictability of the money.
Right. Cool no
But me give thanks to the fact that I'm doing something I love, I'm doing something that I'm passionate about. And the fact that people really like our sound, thankful.
Yeah, cool no man. Okay, so into the music industry. Pardon? Into the music industry. No, you obviously were a young one. Who is that? Sean Paul?
Yeah, man, the God that himself.
Hey, Dutty Rock. You good?
I'm asking if you're good.
Cool, man, all the time. Yeah. So you're going to the music industry. Is it? How was your journey? Because I know for a young artist coming in, or forwarding in, it's kind of hard to find your footing, or to find the right niche for you to get your career started. So talk to us about how that worked out for you.
All right. What I was thankful for, my general introduction into music was through Dean Fraser. So I had the pleasure of being under one of the greatest mentors that the artist could ever ask.
Big up yourself, Dean anywhere. Uncle Dean. I call him Dean. Uncle Dean anywhere in the world you are.
He's the general, so that is my everything in terms of that is the person who starts everything. Give thanks. Give thanks to the blessing, you give thanks to the tutelage, give thanks to the fact you saw something in me to say that come and pardon me somewhat and learn from me. So, I'm forever humbled and forever thankful because guess what? All of that started what's happening now. So, thankful.
Cool, man. And I mean,
we have to big up Taurus, right?
I was just about to ask you. I was just about to say that as well.
I have to make sure I do that because you know. This is just being around Taurus for a couple of years. That taught me what it was to be a professional, what it was to go rehearsal every day and make sure that you put in that work. If you put in the work and make sure so you see the results.
Right. So let's speak a little bit about that now, because there are other artists or other creatives that might be watching this. Speak to us about some of those lessons that you learned while being mentored by Uncle Dean and Taurus Riley.
All right. What I'll tell, time is money. I'll tell everybody that time is money. Like it's serious. Rehearsal is key. Repetition. Even just to know what to say on a stage. In general introduction and stuff. That is rehearsal. That is stuff that you have to
right.
So, stuff like that. Thankful for lessons like that. In terms of the guidance and showing us exactly how to be professional and how to, take care of your body, take care of yourself, take your vocals. What it's like to be hoarse and still be able to sing. What it's like to be touring, to be hoarse and still have to be professional and still be able to. And a long day, when you have personal problems, you still have
to go through.
still have to show.
Yeah, you have to know how to sort out the various aspects of it and just focus on the goal. Cool, no, man. And then okay, so you got the mentorship from Uncle Dean and Taurus. Speak to us about how your first stage experience, because I know you write the songs them, you record your songs them, but being on stage is a different kettle of fish.
All right, Ras Ajai first stage experience. Greetings in the name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Selassie Jah Rastafari. How good otherwise that it is feel like I bred to the sister. Place a mash up, rhythm come in and really the sound box the run on one part, so the sound I take the sound
delayed.
Forward. Yes, the delay. Yeah. So now you can't hear it. So me I cuss, yo, wanna want the flap rasta, yo. It's a bit, yo, wanna want the flap rasta. So I'm like, yo, you know. So this not my chip. So but I say, yo, my girl have a black naturally, brown naturally, hear it of it. I say, yo, flap on one flap rasta and I put on the mic and come off my stage. You only hear IT come up on stage and say, yo, the rasta come on naturally and I feel leave naturally.
Oi.
We will never forget it. But that is something we will never forget. It's a bad deal.
Yeah. Well, that I mean, and it shows your versatility. It shows your versatility that no matter what the situation, and this ties back to the training that you got prior to. Shows you.
Well, that was even before.
That was there, so that only seasoned.
But perseverance is a key that any artist love. First and foremost, you have to love what you do.
Exactly.
In order to be a present, in order to be a radio host, a TV host, or anything that one pursues to be or desires to be, them have to love it. As if a money you go feel. First rule of the so man, a rich that poor that teacher. Watch out, don't make nobody feel. Create your own avenue. So it's things like that. When we get up one day and say, watch out, I left Babylon and left 9 to 5. I'm going to it's about creating that generational thing that my daughters can say, all right, watch your daddy left something, like legacy left, sing over this and you know,
even to another height.
Even to another height. So I look at it from that perspective.
Right. And then looking back at it from your first single, your breakout single, Pack Up Your Things. Do you see a difference in your mindset in 2012 than
No,
I mean in comparison to 2021? Because when we listen to Pack Up Your Things and your recent songs and we send me, well, I personally can see a difference. But for you as the artist, what has been your growth?
My like I've always credited to experience.
Okay.
So that's the most I can tell anybody, that it comes with time and it comes with experience. Experience comes with going through the different journeys that it is. There was a time when I couldn't sing Pack Up Your Things and I next read it. Israel and myself went to studio one night over in Ola, and I swear, give thanks to people have with me sometimes, because that was a struggle. But then here we are in 2020. Such is a whole different person. That thankful for every humbling experience that comes along the way and a part of the journey. So you know.
So in terms of your career, where what's the next step you're gonna make towards what you call it, superstardom?
Well, I'll tell what's the next step? Well, the album is soon. The album is next.
Mega stick up it. We don't deal with album. We deal with projects.
We're not touch all of them, you know.
We don't deal with all of them.
We're like a small wife.
Already.
Next project. The next project is here. The next project is this year. The project is this year. The debut project is this year. Definitely this year. From last year, we're supposed to drop
Can you give us a timeline as to when to expect the project being dropped?
June. The name of the project is Gemini. We had delayed it for obvious reasons in terms of just the timing wasn't right for music last year. Well, for me, that is so. And plus, I recorded like 50 something songs last year. Just might adjust for a 15-song album, so I just might revamp and record some more for this year. Just because you don't know, live some life.
Exactly. And you're taking advantage of what is happening at the moment to spend time at home, spend time in your studio, which I thought we were going to be in so the people them can get a look in. You understand?
What you wickedest thing now? As me tell you, me there on video shoot right now.
Me know. Which leads us to ask the relation. So we saw Sean earlier, not too long ago. So you have a relationship with Sean Paul, which has been very. It's an important aspect of your journey, of your musical journey. So speak to us about how the relationship came about, and how is it that this is now propelling your music career.
The relationship came about through my manager. He was a connect. He's a the connect. Me and Sean has been friends from they were young. So when he stopped working with Taurus Riley, Sean knew that I was working with him. So Sean was like, all right, bring your artist and I'll hear what he has. And he met me. From there it was just good because he was like, yo.
And I mean you're talented, so I mean
I've never seen this before. So we worked our way in the time that I started being around Sean. It was a year that his father was in the hospital. So being support in terms of brethren, being there for somebody to talk to and build to rhythm and all of vibes and things. So that kind of cemented the level that we have now. So then musically gives me the opportunity to throw in two lines in a song, maybe write a verse or things like that. I'm thankful. It has given many opportunities on the stage and stuff like that. Not just as a general. Said that year what? I'm learning because it's the first time an artist has ever seen me in the studio and given me because in terms of like do it this way. No, I don't want it to use those words. Try to make the music really different. So that's why for me myself I try to make sure that I gear it towards wanting to conquer the radio because we want to make sure that the kids can listen to music. So
right.
By you saying that, I have to ask this. Did you think you do your research in terms of the winning formula that Sean used to conquer or dominate the international scene for so many years? Do you think you do enough? Not because someone show you the road, but do your research for kind of learn something. Probably sometimes the simplest things what somebody don't tell you is very important. Do you think you do your research for learn something outside of the box where you would normally tell you to help your career or improve yourself as a person?
Yes. I definitely would say that because there's an elder friend of mine who always use a word. He said, study the element of all things. It says, study the root, study the origin of things. So for me, we go deep in terms of study time. We spend time learning. As being Fraser gave me a how would I say analogy that is like being an artist is like being a pilot. You're gonna need like 5,000 hours music time. 2 hours recording, 3,000 hours listening.
Okay.
And so in reaching that goal, at that time an artist should be ready. Vocal should be ready. He has now discovered his sound. He has now discovered the style by which he wants to be. That he wants to represent it.
Right.
In that sense, we've done the homework. So we're at that stage where now
you're executing.
just execution. So now where we lack marketing, we have a vehicle like Dutty Rock, for instance. Make sure the word here Ras Ajai. So it's more that. Before when we drop something, it was on deaf ears. Now when it powered up by the Dutty Rock machine, is a whole different.
You got to listen.
But hold on.
Yeah,
Do you think you have to be doing the things that what the younger kids are doing, like the today generation, to get a buzz in dancehall?
You wanna know. Boy, I'm like a topic can you know. Nah, again a trouble. But watch it now. May I tell you? Alright, watch it thing. Stay correct now, but don't lose yourself. So it's like you know, you can't use full time argument to catch the youths of today. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah,
you can't use. You can't. So it's like you know, you have to somewhat adapt to the times. I'm not telling anybody to go and say boy everybody a scammer. It's a mad deal. If the youth them scam and use them money and trick the games, because before when everybody want manager to spend on the music, them show you so what we spend for our music.
Yeah.
So same like how Chronics them use the formula. That was the formula by which Chronics them use. We group up and we bust yourself.
Yeah.
But then the six and the young youth them forward and show the formula broad. So watch the money make the main run. Done already own flashy cars, you done already own big house and then so if you show you all the lifestyle we live is like a bus artist already.
Right. It doesn't show you the growth and the various struggles that you fought, you experienced, how you overcome them, and all of that. It doesn't show you the levels.
If you notice now, the mindset of the youth is just straight to the win. Nobody gets up in the morning and say, thank you, Jamie, wake up this morning. Nobody says that anymore.
Yeah.
I forgot make sure the yard up.
You watch look like you good yard. You don't just that.
Sorry. I'm sorry.
Talk to us about how important family is to you and to you and your career.
Well, that is my backbone. That is the persons who hold me up. Those are the persons who ensure that when I'm not home, my daughter is okay. Those are the persons who make sure say, if my daughter needs to, so that's how I look at it. Those are the persons who wake me up in the morning. If I say, yo, I have a 10 o'clock appointment, and they sleep, they go come wake me up at 8 o'clock and say, yo, get up. That's give thanks to that. I wish I had a bigger house to put
Everybody in one time. Yeah.
And does it like a whole African set together. So we as Africans we supposed to live. But we give thanks to the blessings, we give thanks to the structure, we give thanks to the people besides to watch them to put up with my dreams.
Yeah.
For that.
I mean, none of itself. You have to give thanks to him.
Thanks enough.
Let's move back to your album. All different is
Project.
Your project, yeah. Why for that? Let's move back to your project, yeah. All different is gonna be for composing a project and releasing a project in this pandemic period, because you say it's gonna be released June. All different is gonna be like having no party skipping. You can't go run to the regular spot to premiere some songs or give it to the relevant disc jocks or selectors to have it out there more. Explain that process to me.
Well, for me, I'm gonna be honest with you. That's something for my marketing team and for my PR stress over. It's stress over. Don't make the music already.
Yeah.
I leave that to Black Butterfly.
Big up Tony. Anywhere you are, City Pie.
And to Shelly and stress over them. So Nina stress right now management. Nina stress right. They stress about the 50 song on that record. So in all honesty, I'd love to be on top of that, but then sometimes you have to really pull yourself away from some parts of it to ensure that some part is done and then immerse yourself into the other.
Yeah. And I guess the team aspect of it is quite important because that's outside of your immediate family. That's another family that you have to get support from, because without them certain aspects of the work that needs to be done would not be done. So we give
without my Ras Ajai is just a
it's
name.
just a mere man where I enjoy song of Jamaica and I
No joke. So I give thanks to them because you what through thick and thin, them say Ras
support. Cool, no, man. There is something that we would like to do. I gotta say how quick your brain is.
Yeah.
See, usually you'd be if you were here, we would be in the studio. You would be giving us a freestyle. You're gonna give me some acapella later on, Don't worry yourself.
All right. So
at this point in time, this one is what we call finish the lyrics. You see how much song you write?
All right,
what if you remember him sang them?
Me don't know. So I'm going to say. I'm going to read
once if someone asks a lip sync when you go up on stage, we have a check on.
No, me know why artists see them song alone, Me know so me never understand it before, but now I understand it because to the amount of song that I have.
That's why we said that.
Leave it alone.
Right. So we have 2 songs here, and I've taken out 3 lines of 2 songs. So if you don't get the first line, probably if I say the next one, you'll understand it. See? All right. So the first line I'm gonna say, sometimes you're up and then you go slow.
Sometimes you're up and then you go slow.
Yeah. Finish it.
Sometimes you're up and then you go slow. See it?
Catch him, trouble.
It's a barn style. Sometimes you're up and then you
all right. At least you get the title. So sing a cappella of Born Star for us, please.
Every ghetto youth is a barn star. We never grow up like the blue and white car. All them know for do about we upstar. I deal with a man like them a fight war. It's like they get to people now no feelings. You hear it now them words and in them dealings. Hope so one day you see the real thing. The whole of we a victim of the system. Yo, crab in a barrel never get to climb out. You feel a strength till you catch your prime now. And you remember when you could drive out. A splash of people now you're pretty right now. Hey, just pray say one day that you never buck your top. Sometimes you're up and then you catch a go slow. Yeah. Say when them mommy biggest for. See
that? You see how far I'm about from
So chubby there. We're glad you pick up on the
all right.
All right, so we're gonna do the next song now. See?
Yeah.
All right.
Go.
I'm still get the girl them with them sit down on a dream boat.
Simple beats.
No, simple beats, man. I do it. I forget that girl every time we do a straight convert to that beat. You know my song?
Yeah.
Bossy.
See there?
Converse 1 foot.
Just for the fun night.
Just for the fun night.
And my brands, a Converse need for really come talk to me, but them are more stubborn. But we are working.
We are working on the brand and ambassador thing, don't it? Yes, we are working on it. Is there any words you'd like to leave to anybody that is watching, probably an upcoming artist? Or wait, before I even say that, do you also produce? Do you produce? Do any side of the production aspect of it?
I've been producing a long time, but we just really never met a 1, 2. No, but no.
Yeah, so everybody are gonna know.
Ras Ajai music is a thing. It's official. So Simple Beats was produced by DJ Blender and Ras Ajai. Really DJ Blender rhythm, but you don't know Ras Ajai music and DJ Blender working, in tandem. So we give thanks to that.
Yeah.
But it's a thing that we're working on now in terms of ensuring that we're gonna give some younger youth the opportunity to be heard. So I'm really interested in that. I'm very much interested in that. We share the energy with a couple of artists over the years, and we give thanks to the growth that we've seen, and we give thanks to the fact that they've been able to. Because you have an artist in England right now who there's a lyrical beef right now. The artist beef
with
right
Tear Boss and Sidon.
On the tune in.
All right,
Sidon into the beef. All right, I'm glad everybody lock into that beef there, Because
Sidon, I want to my little them who me bring and a mentor in a music.
Cool, man.
Officially, you get me idea. So you know what's
yeah.
A straight truck thing there. You get me idea.
Remember, Ras Ajai, Remember some tear fan over here, man. Them fire shot, you know. I don't want duck in my house, you know. Some tear fan over here, too.
No, man, watch it. When you say tear fans
Yeah.
over there, no, you don't know. You go big up all of the tear fans and I big up all of the Crux fans because you know what, this is what
Yeah.
dancehall really need. It need an energy.
Yeah.
The man them now
No,
go.
me
As
like
long as the
the
man them
energy
now
there.
go, that's something you have to
I like that
I'm
energy.
good with that. So, me like lyrics, you know, and Sidan is one, and not just because I want to little G them, but me just think I one of the most witty youth in terms of putting some lyrics together. So when you really, if people really get sit down and listen here, them are gonna realize that him say some things, him witty. So me give him that. So like me say, you know, we want to give more youth the opportunity to be heard. This is me this thanks to the facts of what you unruly say, Sidan say unruly, so you don't know it to the thing. There's always stepping up another level. So that is what we're advocating for. Fight to be on another level.
Right,
Fight for
right.
Yeah. My word for you to him is like we know him full of lyrics and him have lyrical content, but try make it a bit more catchy, have a bit more flow to it. Because we see so many songs over the years. So many songs over the years go about as clash song or this song or war song, but it don't live on to the generation. It's only a few stand out. And with the likes of some of them bad song and bad clash document. Yeah.
We need some hit song. We need some real hit song out of this. So watch a tear boss and Crux boss. May I say to the two of us, watch a brother. We need some hit song. We need some hooks in them. With all of the lyrics. We need to song them to have some hooks so that people can remember
some slang or some things.
But then you want them. Me need them on the same rhythm too. So you see, me need the two of them.
That's the same thing we're saying.
I want them on the two rhythm. So you see when clash are going, I want the artists them on the same rhythm. So that is something we advocate for. So if them no want to do that, a foolishness. You have to fight on the same rhythm.
I think Big Zeke's over here in the UK was advocating about the same thing. Say I think the two artists them should be on the same rhythm. That give you a better analogy of what is going on. Because sometimes artists get a bad rhythm, you know.
I would do one man vice first and then the next man go listen to
the same time and the song them come out.
You have a deadline for dropping your song by. So you know, so watch out. 3 hours, you have a 3-hour deadline. When you give a man no whole heap of time, you know,
yeah. 3 hours. I too bad artists them. Who know them can do it?
A 10 song supposed to forward in a 3 hour. So me not ramp with none of them young youth. Them brain supposed to quit. I no joke.
Seriously.
A 5 minute and 10 minute me write song, you know. So me expect them. So me I give them 30 minutes. So me at least I give them me I give them little room. Me never tell them 10
Definitely. This was a whole deep conversation. And we give thanks for that, bro. It's been a long time forwarding because you don't know.
A long time coming, but I know it did have to happen.
It did have to happen, and we give thanks for that. So for persons who want to reach out to you in terms of, getting in touch with for your production, which you're working on, or getting in touch with planning events, wanting you to perform, where can they find you?
Well, you can Shelly and Kieran Music Group. That's the booking.
Butterfly Media as well.
Yeah, social media as well. Dutty Rock Production. Done. So I deal it. So, but you know, it's Ras Ajai Music on Instagram, Ras Ajai on Twitter, Ras Ajai on Facebook. So Ras Ajai on YouTube, Ras Ajai on SoundCloud, Ras Ajai on over Audio Max. So you see me?
Yeah.
Just make sure it's member in RAS, A to the J to the A to the I. So me I did and say last year I'm a praise. You see?
Every time.
Yeah.
Every time. Give thanks, brother. We appreciate it.
We definitely enjoyed. Definitely no born enjoy. We definitely full joy.
We are talking about, bro.
Joy. Definitely full joy, energy, and we give thanks to the fact that Upnlive show has always been supporting Ras Ajai, and we give thanks to the support and the continued support. So I say family, me can call them official family, you know.
Big up yourself. Big up yourself. Yeah.
Family, thanks to the strength Rastafari. Love and light. Walk good. You see me, Adi? Walk good, you know?
Walk good.
What
I'm gonna enjoy the sunshine now. Big up yourself.
Don't
No, but-
see it.
no problem. And we will talk short. We'll talk soon about, the rest of the items on the agenda.
Blessings.
All
Love and
right.
light.
Take care. No problem. All the best. Ladies and gentlemen, that was Ras Ajai.